Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug. Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Tchoi. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. In my channel, I talk about everything to do with the office, and today we're talking about the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug. What's cool about the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug is that through the use of your phone or a voice control system like your Google Home or Alexa, you can remotely turn on and off your plugged in devices. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting up my little mood light, which is right there in the corner, to my Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug. I'll show you guys how to set it up, but before we do that, let's go ahead and unbox it so you know what's in this nice little box. So here's the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Inside we reveal the startup guide, but no need to read this because I'm going to show you how to set it up. And we have the Wemo plug itself, which looks very basic. Boy, is there anything else underneath here? And right, sure enough, there is the warranty card. I believe it's a 3-year warranty on this device, and it has some basic stats. So pretty basic. Now that we've unboxed it and set this baby up and see how well it works. All right, let's get started with the app. We want to go to the App Store and download the Wemo app. Once the Wemo app is downloaded, we want to click Open, and we want to allow access for location, and we'll press OK. Now we want to add a Wemo device. Press on the plus button, and we're going to be setting up the Wemo Smart Plug. Continue with setup, and plug in your Wemo device now into the wall. And click it's ready for setup. Now here we need to connect to the Wemo device, so we're going to go to our settings and go to our Wi-Fi and find the Wemo device on the Wi-Fi. We'll click on that. It'll connect. And now we're going to go back to the Wemo app and type in the name. So this is going to be our mood light. Press next. And we're going to type in our email address to complete our setup. Press next. And we're going to keep trying Wi-Fi here and click onto our local Wi-Fi. So this is my office Wi-Fi network. Type in the password, click join. We're going to allow notifications. And boom, that's it. The mood light is set up. So before we try turning on my mood light with the Wemo app, let's first talk about iCloth. Yes, they are my sponsor. iCloth, they make amazing cleaning wipes. The reason why I'm bringing this up is because you want to always make sure that your mobile device is clean, free of debris before you use it. So this is the small iCloth. What we're going to do is open up this package. And before we open up my app, I want to make sure my phone is clean because I have not cleaned my phone today. So best way to clean it is actually pulling the cloth downwards. So if you go in a circle, you're just kind of moving the grime around. What you want to do is actually just pull the grime off like this. And look at that, streak free. This iCloth gives you perfect optical clarity. And having done that, I'll actually do the backside as well because I noticed some fingerprints. And once one side gets dirty, I like to flip it around. And look at that beautiful phone. It looks brand new. Now let's go ahead and open up my app. Now we have the Wemo app, which is right over here. You can see that. I'm going to click on the Wemo app. And as you can see, my mood light pops up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this button and we're going to turn on mood light. So voila, look how quick and responsive that was. So this is very responsive. I'm actually quite impressed at how quickly the light reacts to the remote button. Now what I love about the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug is that I have places in my office where the plug is a little bit tucked away in the corner, but I want to plug in devices like my task light, but I don't always want to reach around and turn it on and off. So this gives me that ultimate flexibility in terms of plugging a device into a wall, leaving it on, and using the Wemo app, turning that device on and off. You can also use this for a TV or any plugged-in device that has a simple on-off switch. The Wemo device was fairly inexpensive. I think I paid under $30 for it. For that price and the functionality, I think this is a fantastic device to have in your home office or in your office too if you want to look really cool. So there you go, that's the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug. Now if you like this video, please do me a huge favor and forward this to your friends, family, and coworkers. And of course, by now, if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Press on the subscribe button and don't forget to tap on that bell so you can be notified of my weekly video uploads. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.